Hi everyone, welcome back to So You Want to Play Guitar. And as usual, if you're interested in purchasing the book, just click on the link below. Okay, so now today, let's get straight to work. What we're going to look at, we're going to review the 5 shapes found within the cage system. So the cage system is spelled, as you may know, C-A-G-E-D, based on our 5 open chords here. You have your C, your G, your D, your A, and your E. And the cage system, just to briefly review, is using our first finger to bar things. So we have an E shape, and then we use our first finger to play that E shape chord anywhere up and down the fretboard. So it gives you the freedom and the independence to play in all 12 keys. Okay, so now we're going to be in the key of E. So our first cage chord will be at fret 12. Our first finger will be at fret 12 here. And what's important to know about the cage system as you're practicing it is to locate and visualize where the root is found within each cage chord. So we have a root here on string 6, E, the root at fret 14 here on string 4, and another E here on string 1, the top string at fret 12 as well. And now the next cage chord is called the D shape, because here is based on an open D chord with a different fingering. Instead of playing a D like this, we use this fingering, 2, 3, 4, and we put our first finger either on string 4 or we can cover strings 5 as well. Now the root for this is located on string 4 at fret 2 and on string 2 at fret 5. And now the next cage chord is the C shape, because here we have a C shape fingering. And now this first finger is at fret 4. And the root's found on the 7th fret, string 5. And on string 2, fret 5. So there's our E chord using the C shape. The next E chord is going to be using the A shape based on our A chord down here. So you can either finger it like this or like this, 2, 3, 4. Some people can just use their second finger. So fingering is optional, whatever works for you. And where is the root located for this one? Well, it's on fret 7, string 5, and fret 9, string 3. So there's our E, the root for this chord, the A shape of an E chord. And our last shape, the G shape, visually it looks like this, like a G chord. And now the root's going to be on string 6, and then string 3 at fret 9, and fret 12 on string 1. Now, in the real world of guitar playing, nobody actually fingers the chord shape like this, but we will use it as a visual representation when it comes to learning all the scales associated with each cage chord. So, to be practical, many people would play it like this on the top 4 strings. So you got your pinky at fret 12, and your first finger is covering strings 4, 3, and 2 at the 9th fret. Some people, as you will learn your favorite songs, might play it like this, and people like Hendrix and other guitar players do a lot of what's called guitar fills based on the G shape of an E chord here. Okay, in our next video, we're going to look at on the actual major pentatonic scales found within each cage chord. See you soon.